Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an area chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make an area chart. At first, select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Now I am go to the all chart option. Then select the area option. Now we can see here many area chart. You can add the 3D area or the clustered or stacked area. Now I am select only the area. Click OK. Now we can see we make a area chart. You want to change the color of the chart or make another thing. Select the chart and go to the chart design menu. Select the drop down menu. We can see here many style of the chart. Now I am select this. You can change the color of the chart series. Otherwise you can add more than element or delete anything. Now we can see we make an area chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.